Haven't tried it, just installed this shit. So, what the fuck is going on here? This plugin is supposed to make your vocals sit. Okay, I'm trying to see what I need to make my 2-track louder. Like, what the fuck would that do? I don't know. It's already wide because I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what it do. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. It sound like the plugin starting to fall apart. Like when I get right here. You know what I'm saying? People probably gonna say you should never like push it that hard, but it's like, what happens if I like stress test this shit? Put this shit all over here. Let's see. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Nah. So I'm thinking like the sweet spot for this shit might be like right up in here. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Because the idea from what I'm getting is like, I guess if you give the illusion when you fucking with the mid-size shit, like you're like stretching the shit out, pause, you know what I'm saying? Where your vocals can sit more in the middle, I guess, like that's the thought. But it's like, how fucked up would a beat have to be to go like this far? You know what I'm saying? Because if I put it all the way over here, like listen to what it does to the beat, like it literally destroys the beat. Like that destroys the beat. So it's like, if you use that, I wouldn't recommend like really going too far with that, because that's gonna fuck your shit up. Okay, Vox Carve. Let's see where this go. Okay, so let's play it. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. See, the thing is with this though, with the Vox Carve, yo, like my vocals, I know for a fact, whenever I do all of this shit, man, I don't do that shit right there. Go back over here. Now watch this. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. See that? So like we saw that did that when they move like that, right? So like if we doing a Vox Carve, I don't think it's doing shit to the EQ. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Because like if I wanted to make room for my vocal in the beat, like I literally would do this shit like over here. Fuck with the band like this. I wouldn't, cause like when I'm carving out shit, I don't do no like slope like that. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm not doing no slope like that. So like, and then with this shit, it's like you literally just bring this shit down. You know what I'm saying? Bring this shit down. Like, what's this shit? Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Because all you doing is like just carving out a spot to put the vocal around it. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, if that shit, like we can make it like that, like it would be the same thing, but like, or is the dynamics going on the thing? You know what I'm saying? Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. And I think it's like more on down this way, but it's like vocals bright and all this sort of shit like be holding, like cutting through up here, cause that shit usually competes with the fucking like keys and all that other shit. But it's like all that shit for me, I just do that shit wide. You know what I'm saying? As far as that, you know what I'm saying? And then when you got the dynamic shit, so you can like really like watch this shit. Like if I do this shit. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Like I just literally took all of that shit out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad, you know what I'm saying? Not on vocals sit way better, just with that one little move on a fucking Pro Q. So let's see, cause like the Vox Carve, I don't think that would be more beneficial for me than me personally. You know what I'm saying? So punch is pretty much gonna be self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be some shit fucking with the overall volume or some shit. Let's see. Turn that on. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch. bitches keep on stalking. Whoa, bad bitches keep on stalking. I'm trying to see like what is active when that shit hitting, because is it hitting on the kicks, snare, 808, like what the hell going on? So like if I had reset that, right? Let's see what the fuck going on. Let's see what's going on. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. I don't know. I can't really see what was that doing. Alright, so instrument, that's what they do. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Okay, so it's fucking with the little synth sound, cause I share that shit like it moved up a little bit in my headphones. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to really see like what the hell is kind of going on with this shit. Let me see, cause it's like, let's see. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you. Okay, let's say I go back over there. Let's say let's take that off and let's go back. Let's just click right here. Let's click right here, and let's go. Let's go mid side. Let's do sides. So let me bring this up like this. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's see, cause I think that's what that's doing. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad. Turn it off and turn this back on. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Yeah, that's exactly what that's doing. All right. So now I got a little understanding with that. Okay, so you can fuck with that, but like the thing is with this, it's like I feel like you should be able to have more control over this shit, to where like I can only go right. You know what I'm saying? I should be able to. This should be able to go the opposite way, personally. You know what I'm saying? Then energy. I'm pretty sure this is gonna turn this shit up, right? So let's turn this back on real quick. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Turn clipping out. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Okay, so like right there. So what it's doing right there. So let's take that mid side off right here. Alright, so okay, so let's look again real quick. Let's make sure what is hitting. So right here. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Okay, so it's like fuck, what is the technical term for this shit? The expander. That is doing that shit. It's upward. It's upward, not going down. So like let's say I just find some shit like right here. Cause it's like, okay, so we do this right here. Then like what's this shit? So boom, let's fuck with this. Boom, bring that down just a little bit. Probably like fuck with that just a little bit, cause I think that's what the curve kind of look like. Bring, listen, I don't know what's it. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Okay, so what's it? Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Okay, so it's like, okay, let's match it. Let's see if we can match it. Let's see if we can match it. Listen. Bad bitch you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch you wanna love on. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. Bad bitch you keep on stalking. It's just something like that. I think it's doing some shit like that. But it couldn't. It might not be doing stereo. Let's see if it's fucking with mids. Let's see what he's doing with the mids. Listen. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love. I ain't gonna lie, it's making them stand them claps hit a little harder. I ain't gonna lie. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Let's say like if we did that with that, go over here with this, then we can fuck. Listen. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Running. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. That's crazy, right? Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Where you at? Track surgeon. That's it. Turn me up. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. I don't like how the instruments work. I really don't like how the instruments work. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Alright, something better than that one. Let's see, what fuck is our bass? Our bass, people. If you want your shit to knock our fucking bass, people, I will not lead you wrong. Bad bitch, you wanna fuck on. Bad bitch, you wanna love on. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Bad bitch, you keep on stalking. Telling you, our fucking bass. I remember a nigga that had a Grammy. I was in the studio. That nigga pulled up this plugin and I never stopped using this shit, bro. Like, I'm not even bullshitting. Like, I can't even remember bro name, but we was in there working with an artist, bro. Nigga had a Grammy and all kind of other shit. He was like, hey, bro, this right here, put this on your mixes. It makes your shit hit harder because you lose some of the low end when you export. That's what the nigga told me. You know what I'm saying? But this right here, bro, you got to use this shit sparingly and make sure you're hitting the right frequencies, bro, because this shit can make or break your shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's making that shit hit. Yeah, I know people that love the 808s to hit hard gonna fuck with that one though. So like, yeah, man, track surgeon. Bro, like we can tweak this a little bit more, man, and we can like, you know what I'm saying, tweak this shit just a little bit more, man. It's some shit like, just tweak this shit a little bit more, man. Just a little bit more, bro. Just a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like the aesthetic that y'all got going with the plugins and shit, bro, but we need to tweak this shit just a little bit more. Like, we need to be able to do the knobs the opposite way. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can add, we need to be able to take it away. And then for the vocal carve shit, I think we should be able to adjust this shit the way it needs to go. Same thing for the instruments. So it's like, cause every 2 track, you know what I'm saying? Like shit not gonna be set here. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know nobody vocal that's just sitting right here. You know what I'm saying? When you carving out room for the vocal. You know what I'm saying, gang? But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below.